What is padding right property? Padding right property represents CSS property that we use to set distance between right border of HTML element and content of that HTML element. So let's see some examples. For this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and body, and inside of body we have just one simple text paragraph, and our text paragraph has ID attribute with the value p1. Okay, inside of head we have title for our HTML document, and we have style block where we're going to define all styles for this HTML document. So for now we have just one p1 ID selector that will select our text paragraph that has actually ID attribute put p1 value, and for our paragraph we'll create border that will be orange, and also text for our paragraph will be aligned in the center. Okay, I saved this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, so first thing that I want to do, inside of our p1 selector, let's define padding right CSS property. And let's set 25 pixels, for example. Okay, let's save this change. Let's go back in our web browser. Let's refresh it. So now we have additional 25 pixels of space on the right hand side. Okay, so let's analyze our web page. So let's click on the right click. Let's click on inspect. So now on the right hand side you can see structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head, let's expand body, let's expand styles as well. So basically these are styles that we have defined for our text paragraph. So if we click on our paragraph, down here you can see all these styles that we have. So at first I intentionally added this text align center, because if we uncheck this, you can see that our text will be on the left side of the screen, so it will float to the left. So if we uncheck padding right, you cannot see any effect on our text. As you can see, text is on the left side. Take a look here. When we add padding, you can see that we have padding, but when we add text align center and remove it, you can see how text paragraph or padding from the right hand side will be removed. Okay, let's check this back. We can increase or decrease this value with arrows up and down. Okay. And also, instead of pixels, we can use other various units. For example, we can use M values. Like this. This is quite too much, so let's set just to 2M. Okay. Or we can use points. Or we can use percents. So if we set, for example, 20%, this means that our padding right will depend on the width of our body. Okay, so this is how we can use padding right CSS property. So feel free to play around with it.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.